Alright, here we go. This is just a quick look. This ain't a review of a ROSSI Tuffy survival rifle. It's chambered in .410 3-inch and .45 Colt. It's overall length on it's 30.9 with 16-inch barrel with a 1 in 24 twist with 6 grooves, weighing in unloaded at 51.2 ounces. We got the poly stock. Put the extra shells on both sides of it. It's a little short on the stock. I mean, it's your typical Tuffy. Black oxide finished on the barrel. Comes with the rails. It is a takedown, so you can put this in a pack. It does break down. That's your brake for your release. Right there, it's got a safety on it. Not too bad. It's stuck a True Glow on there, 1x4. I'm really keeping this under 100 yards. Right now we're going to be shooting it at 50, and it's been doing well. So I'm going to be backing it off to 75 and 100 to see how it's going. It's really liking the Barnes vor-tx. As far as grouping goes, they do hold a tighter group. I've noticed that with the faster ammunition seems to do better out this than the slower as far as groups go. Other than that, it is just a quick look. What you see is what you get. Just depending on where you look online, I mean, there's some places that are selling these about $100 under MSRP. If you can find them. And then other places MSRP is anywhere from $350 to $400. So just shop around if you're looking for one of these. Just keep looking around before. I mean, if you're finding them everywhere, yeah, look around for a little bit. If you're not finding them, then try to get on them, because from what it sounds like, they might take off, they might not. I don't know. A lot of people are having issues with the grouping on it. This one I haven't seen anything major. Like I said, the slower ammunition seems to not group as well as the faster. So if you can, definitely stick with the faster. I mean, these are 1,025 feet per second. I'm not sure what the barrel length that is for those, but this is shooting them at about 1,120 feet per second, around 1,100, 1,120. And it's doing pretty good at 50 yards on the group. And like I said, the penetration and expansion on these are excellent. So we're going to be trying that and then seeing what it does at 75 and 100 down the line, just to see. But there you go. Once again, this is just a quick look at the ROSSI survival rifle. Thanks for watching.